It's a beautiful day. Find a way. Oh, what a day. You gotta find a way. Oh, come on now. Come on, Macau. Come on now. Come on. I gotta go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on. Go, 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 go. I gotta go. Come on now. Oh, come on, Macau. Come on, Macau. Go, go, go. I gotta go. Oh, go, go, go. I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go.
So we're going down to St. Dominic. Kind of see some people go by here. So we're going to be going down this way towards St. Dominic's Church, and that goes up to St. Paul's Church. So we're going to be heading on down. So stay tuned for that. Okay, another slice of Macau, Sao Domingos. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And I'm gonna put some lyrics up to some music as well, so that'll be behind me. And let's just get right into the narrate where I walk and talk and go through the St. Dominic's Square in Macau. Let's do it. Narrating time. Okay, let me just kind of look up a little bit. Let's get all the crowds coming down from St. Paul's Church. We're going to be heading down that way. Then we also have this kind of beautiful bullet point right here. Yeah, tons of people. Then this actually also goes, this kind of highlight. This goes up to the Portuguese Consulate, Portuguese Embassy, Portuguese Bookstore. It's all up this way. So this is actually part of St. Dominic's as well. Probably should start up that way. And then this one goes up to Say Cathedral. Goes up that way. St. Dominic's. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna have to go up that direction because that's also part of St. Dominic's too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up there and then I'm going to come back down. We got to do this, have this beautiful Nike store right here as well. So I'm going to go up and then come back down. Okay, so now we're at the base of St. Dominic's. So this is where the street actually starts at, which is capturing this kind of beautiful building right there, beautiful architecture. I don't know, at nighttime, I don't know if the lights, if the beauty of the yellow building, I guess it's there, it's illuminating. You can kind of see it. So that yellow building is quite spectacular and beautiful, especially in the daytime. But I think at nighttime it's there too. A little drowns out a little bit because there's a lot more lighting, which is even more beautiful in a different way. But you can kind of see that. The beauty of that building. Okay, so we're going to follow this down. Looks like the Portuguese bookstore is open right now. Let's peek the camera in real quick. How are you doing?
Good.
Very good. So, Portuguese bookstore.
Olá.
Olá. Boa noite. there it is right there. So yeah, that one is has a lot of really amazing stuff in it. Plus you can also get some of this alcohol. This 35 right here. So that's actually from Portugal. And this one too. It's like cream de nata, pastel de nata. Okay. So we're gonna keep on walking all the way down. Get across the street real quick. Then this goes all the way down. So let me just kind of capture this whole street area. So that's basically what we basically came down that one. So, okay. We got a little McDonald's in that building. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way down. Yeah, it's nice how this is pedestrian. Okay, let me there we go. So we got the video of this building. And this one as well. Okay, so we're gonna head on down to St. Dominic's Church. The beauty of the architecture. And then St. Dominic's is the yellow one on the corner. I think actually that one might be one of the most beautiful churches, I think. But usually people come to see Sao Paulo ruins, but actually I think this one is quite impressive because you don't expect it. So we got these beautiful doors as well. I'm gonna go right up to the doors. So yeah, this is amazing. So this is the square that you look out at. Here we go. It's amazing. Nice. So we got a really good, plus we got the little plaza. So this is basically St. Dominic Street marked by St. Dominic's Church. Go back a little bit further even. So yeah. So very, very cool. Okay, so we're going to come back to the different angles. People are doing selfies. So now we got a beautiful spot right there, that angle. Let me walk back a little bit. Then Sonata Square is to the left. And the church is straight ahead. Okay. So that's St. Dominic's. at nighttime. And then if you go down a little bit further, that goes down to Saddle Square. And I think we're going to end the video right when the church goes out of view. So there it is, just a little taste of it. So we're gonna end the video. So that's St. Dominic's. Okay, you can see the illuminating lights of Saddle Square right there in Sao Domingos. So that's that little square right. This green roof is the Royal Senate building. You can also see the green building is Hotel Central. So a little bit of a view. After watching these videos, you can kind of see what's all around here.